Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the SparkX i7 powered by Creality. And today we are going to change our cutter blade. Your cutter blade is responsible for cutting the filament at the hot end during filament swaps. If you start experiencing trouble with this stage of printing, it might be due to a worn or broken blade. Fortunately, the i7 is equipped with a few quick swap components, and the blade is one of them. Let's go ahead and get it out. Your cutter blade is right here attached to this handle. Remove the cover of the SparkX. Locate this switch right here and push it up. This will allow the cutter handle to release. Hiding right here is your cutter blade. You may see damage, you may not. Not seeing damage doesn't mean it's not dull. Take note, there is a magnet on one side. Grab your new blade, orientate the magnet so it faces the front of the extruder. Spot the slot inside the extruder and simply slide the new cutter into that slot. With the new cutter in the slot, depress the handle and push the switch down. Give it a couple of test pushes and put the cover back on. And just like that, you have successfully changed your i7 cutter blade. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.